The integration of a CarPlay screen is crucial for drivers utilizing wireless car connectivity. It offers a safer and more streamlined method for accessing essential applications such as navigation, communication, and entertainment, thereby minimizing driver distraction. By displaying information clearly and concisely, the CarPlay interface promotes safer driving practices while maximizing the convenience of wireless smartphone integration. Today, we're diving into a piece of technology designed to bring modern infotainment features to a wider range of vehicles. XBAY Portable CarPlay Screen. This 10.26-inch unit boasts a plethora of functionalities, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 4K dash cam, a 1080p backup camera, and more. Is it the all-in-one solution it promises to be? Let's find out. We'll be taking a thorough look at its features, performance, and overall value proposition. Inside the box, you'll find the XBAY unit itself, the 1080p backup camera, the necessary wiring, a suction cup mount for the windshield or dashboard, and the instruction manual. The unit itself is surprisingly lightweight, but feels reasonably well constructed. Let's run through the key features. Firstly, and perhaps most importantly, it offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. This allows seamless integration with your smartphone for navigation, music, calls, and more. Secondly, the integrated 4K dash cam records your journeys, providing valuable evidence in case of incidents. Thirdly, the included backup camera enhances safety when reversing. Furthermore, it includes GPS navigation capabilities, SuperLink functionality, Bluetooth connectivity, FM transmission, and a built-in music player. The unit supports a variety of inputs, including a TF card slot for local media playback. It truly aims to be a comprehensive in-car entertainment and safety solution. Now, let's discuss performance. Connecting to CarPlay and Android Auto was straightforward in our testing. The wireless connection proved to be relatively stable, although occasional brief disconnections did occur, particularly in areas with high radio frequency interference. Responsiveness of the touchscreen is generally good, although not quite as snappy as a native in-dash system. App compatibility is as expected. All the core apps, maps, music streaming services, and calling functions worked flawlessly. The integrated dash cam is a valuable addition. The 4K resolution provides clear and detailed footage, which could be crucial in the event of an accident. Image quality is good under various lighting conditions, although low-light performance can be a bit grainy. The 1080p backup camera offers a decent view of the area behind the vehicle. While not the highest resolution available, it provides sufficient clarity for safe reversing. Installation of the backup camera requires some basic wiring knowledge, but the included instructions are relatively clear. Beyond CarPlay and Android Auto, the XBAY offers other useful features. The FM transmitter allows you to broadcast audio from the unit to your car's existing radio system, which is helpful for older vehicles without AUX input. The GPS navigation worked accurately in our tests, providing reliable directions. The built-in music player supports various audio formats and allows playback from a TF card. Navigating the menu system is relatively intuitive, although the interface could benefit from some refinement. Now let's summarize the pros and cons. Pros: versatile features, offers a wide range of functionalities, including CarPlay, Android Auto, dash cam, and backup camera. Easy installation, relatively easy to install, especially compared to replacing an entire in-dash system. Modernizes older vehicles, brings modern infotainment features to cars that lack them. Competitive price, generally more affordable than a full head unit replacement. Cons: occasional wireless disconnections. Wireless CarPlay/Android Auto can experience brief disconnections. Touchscreen responsiveness, not as responsive as high-end in-dash systems. Wire management, can be challenging to manage all the wires neatly, potentially distracting. Having a screen mounted on the dashboard can obstruct the windshield and view, so placement is critical. Overall, the XBAY Portable CarPlay Screen offers a compelling solution for those seeking to modernize their car's infotainment system without the expense and complexity of a full head unit replacement. While it has a few minor drawbacks, the wide range of features, ease of installation, and competitive price make it a worthwhile consideration. If you're looking for a feature-packed portable CarPlay solution, the XBAY is certainly worth a look. Just be sure to carefully consider the wire management and potential impact on your windshield visibility. We hope this review has been helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.